What are you doing? That's your blankie? Giraffe. Yep, that's the giraffe. What's that one? Alligator. What's that one down there? Tiger? Rawr. Rawr, that's right. And a lion. Hey Palmer, I love you. Glad that has such a profound effect on you. Oh look, thank you. Pillow. There you wear the pillow on his neck. What? What's up there? I don't know what that means. I don't know what that means. Do you want to jump? You want to jump? Yeah. You're funny. Your hair's flopping. One-handed. Blankie, you want Daddy to have it? Thank you. Thank you. Can you show me? Thank you. Well, yes. Except for without the black eye. Rawr. Tiger says, rawr. Palmer. Palmer. I love you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.